innovative foam. Intelligent cleansing technology thoroughly removes impurities, while ResiliLock Technology supports skin's protective barrier. Features potent moisturizing ingredients and a superfood extract with antioxidant properties. To begin, dampen your hands and face. Work into a rich lather, sprinkling in extra water when needed. Keep going until you reach a stiff, full-volume foam. Massage the foam in circular motions to thoroughly cleanse the skin. Take care to avoid the eyes. Keep movements gentle and only cover each area 2 to 3 times. Rinse well with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Skin feels clean, smooth, cushioned in comfort, ready for the next steps in your skincare routine. Unlock the power of your radiance. For more how-tos and inspiration, subscribe to the official Clé De Peau YouTube channel.